Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain how to view photos from a private Instagram account without following them. Although there isn't any legitimate website or app that can bypass private accounts, beware of scams. There are a few workarounds within the Instagram app that might help. Firstly, the most straightforward method is to simply send a follow request. In most cases, users will accept your request, allowing you to view their photos. Go to their profile and tap follow. While some may hesitate to do this due to notification concerns, it's often the simplest and most effective way. If you're reluctant to use your main account, consider creating a new one. Go to your Instagram homepage, tap your profile picture in the bottom right, then tap on your username and select Add Account. Create a new account not linked to your main one, and use it to send the follow request. Though some users may not accept requests from new accounts with no photos or profile picture, others might. Another option is to ask a friend who already follows the private account to share screenshots of their photos. This way, you can see the content without needing to send a follow request yourself. In summary, the best and most reliable method is to request to follow the person. If they accept, you'll gain access to their photos. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.